Greetings from VCANINSPIRE. I am Dr. SRK. After a very long time, I'm coming forward again with a video. This video is about why should we train the children and the youth to ask questions and how can they be trained. Let's go straight to the methodology. The reason why one should be trained to ask questions is one develops a scientific mind by asking questions. Second, the growth of a person depends upon how much the person asks questions and searches for the answer. Let's now go to the methodology. How is it possible to train? Let's take a statement. An old man was walking down the road. On this statement, what questions can be asked? To ask questions, we generally use the terms why, when, where, how, whom, how much, or is, are, will, at what, etc. So in this statement, an old man was walking down the road. Let's ask a question. Which road? How old was the man? When was he walking? What was the old man wearing? How was the road? How broad was the road? Was the road concrete or was the road surface road or was the road mud road? Why was he walking down the road? Why wasn't he walking up the road? How big was the road? How long was the road? Where was the road leading to? So these are the questions that can be asked. Let's take a second example. The earth moves around the sun. How does the earth move around the sun? Why doesn't the sun move? How big is the earth? How fast is the movement? Is the earth only planet which moves around the sun? In what way does it move around the sun? Does the sun move around any other planet? Now these are the questions that can be asked. Once a child or the youth is trained to ask questions in this manner, the youth or the child can grow his mind, the way of thinking and the way of probing. The way of probing leads to a scientific development of the mind. Thank you very much. I hope there is some learning which has come from this. Take care. Goodbye.